Hey YouTube, we're here with another video. This one will be an unboxing. Let me know in the comments how you guys like these kind of videos, and we may do more depending on if you guys like them or not. Enjoy.
Hey YouTube, back again with another video. This one is not along the lines of gaming, but along the lines of tech reviews. You know, if you're new to the channel, we do tech reviews starting today. We do unboxings, things of that nature, review the product as well. I'm gonna give it a few days of me using the product and review it. So today, what better to get to unbox than a camera that I actually need? So today I'm unboxing a PowerShot SX740 camera from Canon. With this camera, you get 20.3 megapixels, which is phenomenal. Seeing that the newest iPhone megapixels is what, about, if not 13, max 15 megapixels on a new iPhone. And then the front-facing cameras of your normal phones are about 5 megapixels to 7 megapixels. It just depends. And so with that being said, 20.3 megapixels is outstanding. And it has the flip, as you can see right here, it has the flip camera. So what you do, you can be, if you're a vlogger or anything like that, you could be vlogging and you could have the camera facing you, and there's a screen that flips out that you can see yourself. So you can see the angles and get the right angle that you need to get the best video. That's one thing that I got it for. And it also is 4K, 24 millimeter, and it has 40 times zoom. And I believe it has an HDMI hookup too as well, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi certified. So let's give you guys a look at the box itself. This is the box itself. You wanna lock those. This is the box itself. This is what it looks like. And this is it right here. Let's turn it sideways. As you can see, PowerShot SX740. Alright, now let's get to the good stuff, guys. Let's get to the good part of the video. Alrighty. Alright. I'm doing a little unboxing. Here we go. So, let's see what you first get. Oh, okay. You get a couple of manuals. You know, how to insert the battery, things of that nature, how to work the camera, all the buttons, things of that nature. I will be looking at those here shortly after I do my little, so I can get a review on it. And you also get a lanyard for the camera. You see that? So you can have it, you know, on your wrist or something, just in case it slips off. You get a lanyard, set that to the side. And you also get a battery for the camera, and the battery is 1250 milliamp hour battery, which is very good. It's rechargeable lithium ion. That's a very good battery, guys. It's good battery life. It's real good battery life. All right, that'll give you about, I'd say, 8 hours of battery life, depending on how much you use your camera. All right, this is. What is this? Cover up those numbers. I believe this is the camera itself. No, this is actually battery charger. So I don't like that kind of stuff. Well, depending on if you get multiple batteries, this will be a good fit for you. You're gonna have multiple battery packs. If you're like out a long time on a wilderness hike or something, you know, taking pictures of birds, and you need multiple batteries, this is good for you. So you can just buy a new one, pop it in, buy a new one, pop it in, have them all pre-charged, ready to go. So that's the battery charger, as you can see. Let's see. Input 100 volts to 240. So that's typically what you get in your house. You get 240 volts running in. Got that. Output 4.2 volts output. So it's a step down. It's kind of like a transformer. It's a step down. It steps down the power that actually goes inside of it, and it makes it manageable for the battery to withstand. So there's that. Set that to the side. This to the side. And here we go, guys. get into the good stuff now. A little bit of ASMR for you guys. You guys hear that? ASMR. What that means is autonomous sensory meridian response. If you ever seen an ASMR video, you know that's a little side note, you know, quick fact. That's just like when somebody blows on the back of your neck and you get goosebumps. That's basically what that is. Autonomous sensory meridian response. So right now we have the camera out. You see the back right here. This is the back. Let's check out the front. There's the side. It's one of them buttons right there I have to check out and see what that is. And you got the front. This thing's nice. It has some good weight to it. It doesn't feel like a toy. And you actually have a little grip right here. That's cool. 40 times zoom. It's pretty cool. And this is my favorite part right here. It's that camera I was telling you guys about. See that? This right here. You can record yourself from this right here. You can record yourself from this right here, and you can see your face right here. So you can be like, oh, hey guys, what's up? You know, talking about your YouTube channel or doing your vlog, vacation vlog, or whatnot. It's a really cool camera. So I'm going to start recording my videos with this, guys. And you guys just let me know what you think of the quality and whether or not I need to upgrade or not. All right, guys. Thank you.
All right, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Let me know how you like the video down in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, we do gaming videos as well. You know, some gameplay for you. So hit that like, subscribe button, and hit the bell, guys. Thank you.